Almost everyone that carries a set of keys with them has had the unfortunate experience of losing them at some point. They're small and easy to misplace after all. Only you probably had no idea that a basic key can do a heck of a lot more than just open a door. Here are 9 hacks involving keys that will make your life much simpler. Before we get started, take a moment to please subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, and give us a like. Number 1. Hide a key under a rock. Getting locked out of your home or vehicle is a huge headache, but it's also one that can be avoided if you take the right precautions. Use a piece of masking tape and affix a spare key to a rock in your yard in case you get locked out. Number 2. Use a pill bottle. If you want something a little more secure, superglue a rock to the top of an old prescription bottle and store your keys that way. The bottle will ensure that it doesn't pick up any dirt or grime while it stays hidden. Number 3. Attach your spare key to your car behind your license plate. Using one of the screws to keep it in place, stick the key behind your license plate for extra security. This secret location is one that no one will ever think to look, so take advantage of this quick trick. Number 4. Get out the glue and colored string. Are you one of those people who's always mixing up your keys? Most of us are. They all look the same sometimes. Use some glue and colorful string and make them easy to tell apart. And it even makes them cute looking too. Number 5. Try using nail polish. If string isn't your thing, you can easily do the same with colored nail polish. Spruce it up with different shapes and designs. That way, you'll never have to worry about trying to lock your front door with your car keys ever again. Number 6. Use hand sanitizer to unfreeze that lock. If your lock gets frozen during the winter months, as many of them do, apply some hand sanitizer to your key before trying to slip it in. The alcohol helps melt the ice, and before you know it, you'll be blasting the heat in your car. Number 7. Make a DIY key holder with Legos. Always put your keys in the same place on a Lego board, and you'll never have to run around looking for them again. Legos are easy to attach your keys to, and you can even color code them using different blocks. Number 8. Weigh down your curtains. If you have curtains that dangle over an air vent, chances are you've had to deal with them getting blown about by the air conditioner. If you have an old key, attach it to the bottom of the curtain to add weight. That'll keep them straight. Number 9. Learn how to make an emergency spare key. This trick for making a quick spare key is like something you'd see in a movie. You'd expect someone like MacGyver to be the one and only person to pull off this hack.